कृष्णा घाटी में आर्मी और बीएसएफ की जॉइंट टीम वहाँ पर डिप्लॉयड है फॉर बाउंड्री प्रोटेक्शन। और वहाँ पे कल जब ये 1-9 की नफरी रेगुलर लाइन मेंटेनेंस के लिए जा रही थी तो उस समय उनके 2 एफडीएल अपोजिट साइड से पाकिस्तान की तरफ से और 2 एम्बुश जो उन्होंने लगा रखे थे, चारों ने साइमल्टेनियस फायर शुरू किया और जो बाकी हमारे जवान थे वो उसमें इंगेज थे। और इसी फायरिंग के बीच में जो बैट एक्शन होता है, बैट एक्शन का मतलब है कि जो टिपिकली इट कंसिस्ट ऑफ द रेगुलर आर्मी एंड मुजाहिदीन्स और दे ट्रेन मिलिटेंट्स, तो उन दोनों ने इस फायर पावर का जो उनकी तरफ से आ रहे थे 2 एफडीएल और 2 एम्बुश के, उसका फ़ायदा उठाते हुए उन्होंने 2 जवानों को म्यूटिलेट किया, उनकी बॉडी को।
How further they had entered into our territory?
Well, the details of these will obviously come from the army. They would be able to give you these details. But you know, in line of control, the movements are always there. 1-9 की नफरी थी, उसमें 6 हमारे थे और 3 उनके थे, आर्मी के। हाँ, एक राजेंद्र कुमार हैं, वो इंजर्ड थे, उनको उधमपुर हॉस्पिटल में डाला गया। ही इज नाउ स्टेबल।
Sir, earlier in the past also similar attacks have
Yes.
happened in the area. So
Yes.
there were certain SOPs which are required to be
Yeah.
followed.
The SOPs are always followed. It's a question of, you see, the question is one of the element of surprise. And every such incident that takes place, every time we learn from it. And I can assure you that the experience that we have had, the BSF, which in Kashmir works under the operational control of the army, together there will be a brainstorming and we'll come out with yet more revised SOP so that such incidents can be minimized.
सर रिपोर्ट है कि आप लोगों ने भी रिटेलिएट किया, 2 जो पाकिस्तानी की चौकियां हैं उनको उड़ा दिया और 7 पाकिस्तानी पहले भी मारे।
The army would be better placed to answer this question.
Do you think it was a pre-planned kind of operation?
Such operations are always pre-planned. You can never have a spontaneous development like this where simultaneous fire is coming from 2 distant FDLs, at the same time firing coming from 2 ambushes and a bat action. It is very well coordinated.
There is strict presence of our troops also on the LOC. When the bat action took place, follow-up immediate action, nobody could be tracked down.
No, it really depends on terrain. It depends on too many things how the action has to be. At that point of time when there is a burst fire coming from 4 sides, the first reaction is really to protect oneself, because you already have 2 of your colleagues getting martyred. So the response is, it depends. There is a response which is completely proportionate to that situation, you know, to the threat. So one can't say that.
Do we have any information how many members of that team undertook this operation?
No, not as yet.
सर अगर हम टरेन की बात करें तो बीएसएफ किस तरह से वहाँ पे तैनात है और सेना किस तरह से पूरे एरिया में तैनात है?
Yeah, इसमें ऐसा है कि these are, you know, issues which security reasons just cannot be, you know, brought into the public domain. That's not advisable. नहीं, जैसा कि इन्होंने साहब ने पूछा, हर बार जब इस तरह की घटना होती है तो इस तरह की घटना न हो इसके लिए क्या क्या इंतजाम किए जाएं, इसके बारे में आर्मी के वेरी सीनियर ऑफिसर्स along with our officers of the BSF will sit together and decide.
This incident has come after the visit of Pakistan Army chief to the frontier area. Do you think there is a connection between?
I'll not like to comment on that, but yes, there is no doubt. I'll not like to comment formally on this, but yes, there is. Everybody knows that this incident has taken place immediately after the visit of the army chief.
Sir, situation around the IB is also volatile. Do you have any report where such launching pads are again active post surgical?
The launching pads are always active. They are always across the IB. They are always active. But we are also very, very alert. So far, the IB is under direct control of army, BSF. so far there has not been a single incident of successful infiltration. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.